Welcome to Tree Talk. Today's tree is bishop wood tree, scientifically identified as Biscoffia javanica. Biscoffia javanica belongs to the Amla family, gooseberry family, that is Phyllanthacea. In case of Amla, flowers are on special branchlets which are more leafy and they are deciduous. So it appears the association of leaves in the axillary leaves, but not so in case of Biscoffia. In Biscoffia, flowers are unisexual as we find in Amla, no doubt, but in case of Amla, tree is monoecious, means male flowers and female flowers are found on the same tree. But in case of Biscoffia, which is a close relative of Amla family, within Amla family, this Biscoffia javanica, male trees and female trees are separate. So male and female flowers grow on separate trees. In case of Phyllanthus, that is Amla, we have the simple leaves. Branchlets look like pinnate leaves, but basically the leaflet is itself a leaf. It is not a compound but a simple leaf. But in case of Biscoffia, it is trifoliate. So 3 leaflets in one leaf means it is compound leaf. They are alternate. Petals are wanting. In case of Biscoffia, they are apetalous flowers and they are greenish yellow, very small sized flowers. They grow in panicles, branched panicles, in dense clusters. Biscoffia javanica is known as Javanese cedar because it is also found in Java. This particular tree, Biscoffia javanica or Java cedar, is also known as cocoa tree because in Japan it is called as agaki or akaka, and from akaka it has been named as even cocoa tree. This is the tree which is also known as the Tug tree in Southeast Asia or Yug tree. It is also known as the vinegar wood tree because its wood has vinegar brown or reddish brown tinge, which is also a source of dye. So in English, if it is vinegar wood tree, then its name in Sanskrit is also Chukradaru, something related to chukandar, beetroot. The color of the bark of the tree, Biscoffia javanica and chukandar beetroot, is almost the blood red, wine red. So this particular tree is also known as Kat Simla in Hindi because from a distance its leaflets look as if they are leaflets of Semel, Bombaxiba, but they are not because their number is usually 3 leaflets. In case of Semel, symbol, Bombaxiba, we have more than 5, there can be 7 leaflets. But in case of Biscoffia javanica, usually 3, but sometimes even 5 leaflets are found. Another distinguishing feature from it is not symbol because here the leaflets have the stalk, small petiolule. For one leaf we have petiole, for leaflet we have petiolule. So the terminal leaflet is larger in size and it is longer petiolule, longer stalk, as compared to the smaller leaflets, 2 other leaflets. This particular tree is found near wet situations, sources of water, near water springs, rivers, streams, brooks. So it is also known as Paniala in Hindi. In Hindi, another name Bhellar also exists for this. In Dogri language, it is known as Chuntar or Chintar, and in some locations of Himachal Pradesh it's also called as a Marak. This particular tree, Biscophia javanica, is called Kanji in Gadwal, Himalayas. It is called as Kanjal in Bangla language. It is known as Asri or Bolasri in case of Garo language, and Goparini in Kannada language. It is also known as Nili Mara or Gabora Nirel in Kannada language, and in Malayalam it is called as Chola Venga or Thirupu or Nili. In Manipuri language its names are Theichak. In Udiya it is called as Dingiri. So it reflects almost throughout India. Its familiarity is known to the elderly people, the local people, but in Jammu and Kashmir it is found only in Bilawar and Basoli. And it was 1988 when I located two trees, one tree, large size tree at village Dudwada near Fintar in Bilawar, and another tree at Plasi near Thendan. Large sized evergreen tree with 3 leaflets, and mature tree has the exfoliating bark with resemblance of brownish red color. So it is also known as vinegar wood tree or Chukradaru. Chuntar belongs to the Phyllanthacea family, and under the genus we have only 2 species. One is Java cedar, that is Biscophia javanica, and another is endemic to China, which is called as Chinese cedar, Biscophia polycarpa. Biscophia javanica is evergreen, but Biscophia polycarpa is reported deciduous. Large sized trees can grow up to 40 or 50 meters in case of Biscophia javanica, but the Biscophia polycarpa is usually 15 to 20 meter high. Veins and midribs are usually reddish in case of Biscophia polycarpa. This tree stands planted even in American arboretas as ornamental tree. In Florida, US, the Biscophia javanica has gone invasive. So now, earlier it was choice species, introduced species, and planted as avenue tree, but now it has gone invasive. Despite the male and female trees are separate, and yet it is able to go invasive. That is another adaptability of this particular tree. Although it has a large flowering and the dense clusters of fruits, and sometimes they are also eaten by the birds. Biscophia javanica is unique, as this tree has no petals in its flower, no disc, and leaves are foliolate, and each leaflet is serrate, saw-toothed. Fruit is approximately 1 centimeter. It is basically a baccate, many-seeded fruit, yellowish brown, usually 6-seeded. Ovary is trilocular, and each locule has the 2 ovules which develop into seeds. This particular tree, Biscophia javanica in particular, has been revered by the aboriginals in China and Japan as a sacred tree, and its old grove found at a location in Okinawa, sacred grove Kyonochi in Okinawa. It is within the campus of Shurijo Castle. Shurijo Castle is a national monument in Japan, Okinawa, where it is told that it is a 14th century monument, and over the years it was dilapidated, and ultimately this castle was renovated in the 18th century. And during the World War II, Second World War, many trees of Biscophia javanica in Okinawa, they got destroyed. 5-6 trees, 200 to 300 years old trees of Biscoffia javanica are still preserved inside the sacred grove at a location called this particular location is Shurijo, Okinawa Kyonochi Sacred Grove, and it is in Japanese language known as Akagi or Akaki. Akagi, Aka means Japanese name, Aka means red, and Gi or Ki means tree, red tree because of the reddish brown bark. Its wood is usually prized one for making the architecture, handicrafts, and it is very important food plant for Atlas moth, one of the largest moth, which has about 9 to 10 this centimeter expanse of the wings. It is the largest moth which is found in the northeastern India, and this particular moth, Atlas moth, Attacus atlas, also uses the Biscoffia leaves during its larval feeding. The adult does not feed. Biscoffia javanica was earlier named as Andrachni trifoliata. It means it has some looks in floral features with Andrachni cordifolia or Arachni cordifolia, we call Madariya and Dogri. It was also named as Biscoffia toi, based on some Japanese name, and also named as Biscoffia cumminghiana, another name Biscoffia repriana, and another synonym of Biscoffia javanica was Phyllanthus gymnanthus. This reflects it has some affinity even with Phyllanthus amla as well, so it was clubbed under Phyllanthus. Now it has the independent genus Biscoffia, and name is given in the honor of 19th century German botanist Gottlieb Wilhelm Bischoff. After the name Bischoff, the genus Biscoffia stands created. This particular tree, having the 200 or 300 years old trees present in the Okinawa Sacred Grove in Shurijo Castle complex, also attracts the people having the spiritual faith, and it is one of the tree in this location has a spiritual sanctity and declared as national natural treasure, and some gold statue is also put inside the hollowed out trunk. It has been reported that many wild palm civets, they also find a refuge and shelter in the tree hollows in the Tali jungle of Bilawar Forest Division. Its leaf has the tannins, even bark, but leaf is also having tartaric acid. Bark yields the brown dye, reddish brown dye. This is also useful for water conservation. So in the forest where you have the water, plentiful water supply, or you want to conserve water supply, this plant is usually planted. So its seeds are rich in oil. 40% oil is found present in the Biscoffia seeds. In Dogri literature, one Dogri short story after the name Upli Bandada Chuntar is also in the corpus of literature, and this Dogri story was written by Vidyarathi. There is also mention of one poem in Japan which mentions this tree, where the poet says, "The sun is rising in the east. There are pure white and bright red blooms of Akagi." Akagi means Biscoffia javanica. I wish to pick them and hold them up to the sun. So that is the sanctity in the Japanese culture regarding Biscoffia javanica trees. Another species which is Biscoffia polycarpa, this is deciduous and leaves look like Lia, Kurkurjiva plant. We usually see in our shivaliks also, Lia edgeworthi. This is Chinese wishabut to distinguish it from Javanese wishabut, which is Biscoffia javanica. Biscoffia polycarpa, again bark peels in longitudinally, the vertical flakes. Terminal leaflet is larger. Inflorescences are pendulous. They are more pendulous. They are borne in racemes. Flowers are dioecious. That is male and female on separate trees. Male inflorescence is up to 3 to 12 centimeter. Sepals are membranous. Petals are absent. And drupe is little smaller, that is than 1 centimeter. Flowering in April and May. It is found in China, locations like Yunnan, Zhejiang, Hunan, and the seeds procured from China in 1988 were taken to America and planted in J.C. Ralston Arboretum. And this plant still survived the freezing temperatures, minus 17 degree. It is on record. This tree is also found in Taiwan and Hong Kong. Fruits of Biscoffia javanica are also supposed to be useful in winemaking, in preparing liquors. This particular tree is also fast growing. It exhibits 24 inches growth per year. It's tall trees, 30 to 50 feet high, is very dense foliage. Biscoffia javanica is planted as a shade tree. It has a cool shade. This is not leafless. But in case of Biscoffia polycarpa, it is a deciduous species. So Biscoffia javanica tree, which is found only in 2 locations at Bilawar Dudwada village and Plasi village in Basoli area, having wider distribution along the Tarai belt of Uttarakhand, even found in Garhwal Himalayas. This particular tree is sacred to the aboriginals in Japan and China. Especially we find 200, 300 old trees in Shuruji Castle, Okinawa, Japan. Source of wood and the dye, and the even roots have been found to be anti-malarial. This tree need introduction in the city parks and gardens, and so that this particular species, which is vulnerable, almost very rare in Jammu, need to be further propagated, and this natural heritage, folklore associated with the tree also need to be preserved for the posterity.